Hey children, how are you? Fine? Great. So, 14th April was the birthday of Dr. Ambedkar. You know who is Dr. Ambedkar? No? Okay, no problem. I am Aditi Miss. Today I will talk about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, his life, his struggling, how he became a great leader of India. Okay, let's start.
Life should be great rather than long. Father of Indian Constitution. Born on 14th April 1891. Birthplace Mhow, Indore, MP. Early life of Dr. Ambedkar. He was the 14th and last child of Ramji Maloji Sakpal and Bhimbai Sakpal. Ambedkar was born into a poor low Malhar Dalit caste who were treated as untouchables and subjected to socio-economic discrimination. Ambedkar's ancestors had long worked for the army of the British East India Company, and his father served in the British Indian Army Mohau cantonment. Although they attended school, Ambedkar and other untouchable children were segregated and given little attention or help by teachers. Education. Ambedkar became the only untouchable enrolled at Elphinstone High School 1897. 1906 his marriage was arranged to a 9-year-old girl Rambhai. 1907 he passed his matriculation examination and in the following year the entered Elphinstone College which was affiliated to the University of Bombay. 1912 Dr. Ambedkar obtained degree in economics and political science from Bombay University. 1913 he moved to the United States where he had been awarded a Baroda State Scholarship $1150 per month for 3 years. Dr. Ambedkar received the opportunity for post-graduation education at Columbia University in New York City. 1915 Dr. Ambedkar passed MA exam majoring in economics with sociology, history, philosophy and anthropology. He presented a thesis Ancient Indian Commerce. 1916 he completed his second thesis National Dividend of India. 1927 he received his PhD in economics for his third thesis after the left for London. October 1916 he enrolled for the bar course at Gray's Inn and at the same time enrolled at the London School of Economics where he started working on a doctoral thesis. 1921 he got permission to return Columbia University in New York City. In 1921, he took master's degree and in 1923, he took his DSc in Economics Doctor of Science. In 1952, completed his third PhD in Law LID and fourth in 1952 in Columbia. Opposition to untouchability. Dr. Ambedkar worked as a private tutor as an accountant, but it failed when his clients learned that he was an untouchable. In 1918, Baba Saheb became professor of political economy in the Sydenham College of Commerce and Economics in Mumbai. He was successful with the students, however, other professors object to his sharing the same drinking water jug that they all used. Dr. Ambedkar, while practicing law in Bombay High Court, he tried to uplift the untouchable in order to educate them. He first organized attempt to promote education and socio-economics improvement and Dalit rights. By 1927, Ambedkar decided to launch active movements. In 1927, public movements to open up and share public drinking water resources. He also struggled for the right to enter Hindu temples. On 25th December 1927, he led thousands of followers to burn copies of Manusmriti. Thus, annual 25th December is celebrated as Manusmriti Dahan Din. After that, thousands of people burnt copies of Manusmriti under leadership of Ambedkar. Pune Pact. In 1932, British announced the formation of a separate electorate for depressed classes in the communal award. Gandhi fiercely opposed a separate electorate for untouchables, saying he feared that such an arrangement would divide the Hindu community. Gandhi protested by fasting while imprisoned in the Yerwada Central Jail on Pune. Following the first, Congress politicians and activists such as Madan Mohan Malviya and Palwankar Balu. On 25th September 1932, the agreement known as Pune Pact was signed between Ambedkar on behalf of depressed classes among Hindus and Madan Mohan Malviya. On the agreement gave reserved seats for the depressed classes in the provisional legislature within the general electorate. Due to the pact, the depressed class received 148 seats in the legislature instead of the 71 as allocated in the communal award earlier proposed by British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald. Political career. In 1935, Ambedkar became the principal of the Government Law College, Mumbai. Ambedkar in Mumbai constructed a house and stocked his personal library with more than 50,000 books. His wife Ramabai died after a long illness in the same year. In 1936, Ambedkar founded the Independent Labour Party, which contested 1937 Bombay election to the Central Legislative Assembly. For the 13 reserved and 4 general seats, secured 11 and 3 6 respectively. Ambedkar was elected to the Bombay Legislative Assembly as a legislator MLA. In 1936, Ambedkar published his book Annihilation of Caste. In it strongly criticized Hindu religious leaders, the caste system in general. Ambedkar had twice become a member of Parliament of India representing Bombay state in the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Indian Parliament. First term as a Rajya Sabha member, 3rd April 1952 to 2nd April 1956. Second term was to be 3rd April 1956 to 2nd April 1962. But before the expiry of his term, he died on 6 December 1956. Drafting Constitution. The man behind the Indian Constitution. After 15th August 1947, invited by the Congress government to serve as the first law minister. On 29th August, he was appointed chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee, charged to write India's new constitution. The new constitution drafted by Ambedkar was described as first and foremost document. The text prepared guaranteed protection for a wide range of civil liberties, including freedom of religion, the abolition of untouchability, and outlawing of all forms of discrimination, economic and special rights for women, jobs for all scheduled caste and other backward class members. The constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949 by the Constituent Assembly. Ambedkar's first wife Ramabai died in 1935 following long illness. After drafting India's constitution in late 1940s, Ambedkar went to Bombay for treatment. He was suffering from lack of sleep and diabetes. There he met Dr. Sharda Kabir, whom he married on 15th April 1948. and she took care of him for the rest of his life. Buddhism. Dr. Ambedkar studied Buddhism all his life, and around 1950 he turned his attention fully to Buddhism and traveled to Sri Lanka to attend meeting of the World Fellowship of Buddhism. Ambedkar announced that he was writing a book on Buddhism, and as soon as it was finished, he planned to make a formal conversion to Buddhism. In 1955, he founded the Buddhist Society of India. He completed his final work, The Buddha and his Dhamma. In 1956, it was published. After meeting with the Sri Lankan Buddhist, Ambedkar organized a formal public ceremony for himself and his supporters. Ambedkar completed his own conversion along with his wife on 14th October 1956. He then proceeded to convert some 50 lakh of his supporters who were gathered around him. Death. Since 1948, Ambedkar had been suffering from diabetes. 3 days after completing his final manuscript, The Buddha and his Dhamma, Ambedkar passed away in his sleep on December 1956 at his home in Delhi. A Buddhist cremation was organized for him on 7 December, attended by 500,000 sorrowing people. A large official portrait of Ambedkar is on display in the Indian Parliament building. Ambedkar was voted as the greatest Indian in 2012. Nearly 20 million votes were cast, making him the most popular Indian figure. Freedom of mind is the real freedom. A person whose mind is not free, though he may not be in chains, is a slave, not a free man. If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Political democracy cannot last unless there lies at the base of social democracy. What does social democracy mean? It means a way of life which recognizes liberty, equality, and fraternity as the principles of life.
It's quiz time.
Dr. Ambedkar born in A. Maharashtra, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Karnataka, or D. Gujarat? Which place? Yes, answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Explanation. Dr. Ambedkar was born in Mahu, Madhya Pradesh. However, his father was a resident of Ambabari village in the Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra. When was Dr. Ambedkar born? 14th April 1891, 14th April 1893, January 15, 1889, 6 December 1869. Answer is A. 14th April 1891. Explanation. Dr. Ambedkar was born on 14 April 1891 in Mahu, Madhya Pradesh, which is now known as Dr. Ambedkar Nagar. What was the name of Dr. Ambedkar's father? A. Ramji Malod Sakpal, B. Sarvaji Sakpal, C. Yashwant Sant Ambedkar, or D. None of this. Answer is A. Ramji Maloji Sakpal was the father. Explanation. Dr. Ambedkar's father's name was Ramji Maloji Sakpal and his mother name was Bhima Bhai. Dr. Ambedkar was the 14th child of his parents. When was Dr. Ambedkar given Bharat Ratna? A. 1985, B. 1980, C. 1990, or D. 1973? Answer is C. 1990. Explanation. Bharat Ratna was given to Dr. Ambedkar by the government of Vishwanath Pratap Singh in 1990. Next question. What is the name of Dr. Ambedkar's memorial site? A. Samta Sthal, B. Chaitya Bhumi, V. Veer Bhumi or D. Buddhist Bhumi? Answer is B. Chaitya Bhumi. Explanation. The name of Dr. Ambedkar's memorial site is Chaitya Bhumi, which is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Which of the following political parties has not been formed by Dr. Ambedkar? Indian Republican Party, Independent Labour Party, Scheduled Caste Freedom or Dalit Shoshit Samaj? Answer is D. Dalit Shoshit Samaj Sangharsh Samiti. Explanation. A party called Dalit Shoshit Samaj Sangharsh Samiti was formed by Nasiram, not by Dr. Ambedkar. Dr. Ambedkar was the chairman of which committee constituted to form to Indian's constitution? Preamble Committee, Drafting Committee, Flag Committee or Union Constitution Committee? Answer is B. Drafting Committee. Dr. Ambedkar was elected as the chairman of Drafting Committee set up to form the Indian Constitution. A seven-member draft committee has formed for the farming of the Constitution on 29th August 1947. Which of the following books has not been written by Dr. Ambedkar? Thoughts of Pakistan, Annihilation of Caste, The Problem of Critique and Solution, Gandhi, Nehru and Tagore. Answer is D. Gandhi, Nehru and Tagore. Explanation. Dr. Ambedkar has written all books except Gandhi, Nehru and Tagore. Worth to mention: The Problem of Money, The Origin of Solution and The Inhibition of Caste are among his famous books. Next. Which of the following Indians participated in all three round table conferences? Dr. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru or Madan Mohan Malabya? Answer is A. Dr. Ambedkar. Explanation. Dr. Ambedkar participated in all the three round table conferences. Gandhiji participated only the second round table conference from the Congress side. Next question. Who was the first and only Satyagrahi to perform Satyagraha for drinking water? Mahatma Gandhi, Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Ambedkar or none of the above? Answer is Dr. Ambedkar, the only person. Dr. Ambedkar was the first and only Satyagrahi to conduct Satyagraha for drinking water on 20th March 1927. He also organized a Satyagraha in the city of Mahad to get the untouchable community to right to take water from the city's Chavdar pond. Next question. Who was the author of the book The Problem of the Rupee, Its Origin and Its Solution? Mahatma Gandhi, M.N. Roy, B.R. Ambedkar or Sarojini Naidu? Answer is A. B.R. Ambedkar. The author of the book The Problem of the Rupee was Dr. Ambedkar. This book is one of his most popular books. Even today, it is counted among the best-selling books in India. Who among the following established the Bahishkrit Hitakarini Sabha? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Dr. Ambedkar, C. Govind Ranade, D. Govind Ballabh Pant. Answer is B. Dr. Ambedkar. Explanation. The Bahishkriti Hitakarini Sabha was founded by Dr. Ambedkar in 1924 as an attempt to promote and uplift the education of untouchable. Next question. Which of the following magazine was not launched by Dr. Ambedkar? A. Muknayak, B. Bahishkrit Bharat, C. Prabudh Bharat or D. Saraswati? Answer is D. Saraswati. Explanation. In order to protect the rights of Dalits, Dr. Ambedkar had brought out five journals, namely Bahishkrit Bharat, Muknayak, Samata, Prabudh Bharat and Janata. Now we will see an animation story of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Good morning, teacher. Very good morning, students. Students, tell me, do you know him? Ron, do you know who is he? No, miss, I don't know. Students, listen carefully. He is Dr. Ambedkar. In today's class, we will get a short introduction of Babasaheb Ambedkar. Okay, teacher. Dr. Sahib Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891. It's Muhau, Madhya Pradesh. His father's name was Ramji Maloji Sakpal, who was Subedar in British Army, and his mother was Bhima Bhai. His childhood name was Bhimarao. Bhimrao was very intelligent and hard-working student, but he was born as Shudras, means untouchable. Because of this, he was not allowed to study. He used to sit outside the classroom. And also upper caste students were not allowed him to sit with them. As sure he was not allowed to drink water from the vessel used by upper caste students. Despite such difficulties, young Vimrao never lost heart. By the quality of his hard work and commitment, he earned several scholarships to support his studies. His teacher gave him his own surname Ambedkar. In school record, okay teacher. In 1897, Bhimrao Ambedkar enrolled in Elphinstone High School. And in 1906, when he was 15 years old, he got married to Ramabai, and she was 9 years at that time. During a public ceremony, Dada Keluskar had gifted him biography of Buddha. For post-graduation, Bhimrao moved to Columbia University. For post-graduation, went to Columbia. He flew to Columbia. Then in 1915, he enrolled the London School of Economics, where he started working on doctoral thesis. In 1918, he became professor of political economy in the Sydenham College in Mumbai. However, untouchability was still following him. Other professors objected to share drinking water with him. In 1920, he began to publication of weekly magazines. In 1920, he began the publication of the weekly Muknayak with the help of Shahu of Kolhapur. While practicing law in Bombay High Court, he tried to promote education to untouchables and uplift them. Wow! By 1927, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar has decided to launch active movement against untouchability. He began with public movement and marches. He to opening public drinking water resource and led a
Satyagraha in Mahad also began to struggle. Also, he began a struggle for the right to enter in temples.
And led Kalaram Temple Satyagraha in Nasik. Teacher, why did he struggle a lot? Students, during that period timed untouchable means Shudras was not allowed to drink water used by upper caste public and also were not allowed to enter temples. Babasaheb was the one who fought and given equality rights to everyone. He struggled a lot for the betterment of nation. Then he was appointed chairman of the constitution drafting committee and he became the chief architect. He became the chief architect of Indian constitution. He lost his 4 children and his beloved wife Ramu, but he never stopped working for nation. Then on 14th October 1956, he and his second wife Savita Ambedkar converted to Buddhism at Diksha Bhumi in Nagpur. And then he proceeded to convert some 5 lakhs of his supporters to Buddhism. And after completion of his book Buddha and his Dhamma, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar died on 6 December 1956 at his home in New Delhi, and that day is called as Mahaparinirvan Din, which is the saddest day for nation. Don't feel sad, student. Dr. Ambedkar, he is always alive in our thoughts. We should always thankful and grateful we are because he is really great man. 27th May 1935, Ramai Ambedkar death, last photograph. 20 lines about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 1. Dr. Bhimrao Ramoji Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891 in Mahau, Madhya Pradesh. 2. His family was of Marathi background from Ratnagiri district, Maharashtra. 3. His father's name was Ramji Maluji Sakpal, who was a Subedar in British Indian Army. Number 4. He was a brilliant student and passed his matriculation from Elphinstone High School in 1907. Number 5. He completed his degree in economics and political science from Elphinstone College, University of Bombay, Mumbai. 6. In 1913, he was awarded with a scholarship to pursue his MA from Columbia University, New York. Number 7. He earned his doctorate in economics from Columbia University, New York, as well as London School of Economics, London. On his return to India, he worked as an economist, professor, and lawyer. Number 9. In 1920, he started the publication of weekly Muknayak, leader of the silent in Mumbai, with the help of Shahu of Kolhapur. Number 10. He wrote many books on various topics like economics, history, and social issues. Number 11. Dr. Ambedkar was an avid reader and his personal library consisted of more than 50,000 books. 12. He was the first law minister of independent India. Number 13. Dr. Ambedkar was appointed as the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee on 29th August 1947. 14. He is considered as the chief architect of our constitution and known as
Father of Indian Constitution. Number 15. Throughout his life, Dr. Ambedkar worked for the betterment and demolition of discrimination against the untouchables. 16. He was inspired by the Buddhist philosophy and on 14th October 1956 he converted to Buddhism in a public ceremony in Nagpur. Number 17. He died on 6 December 1956 at his home in Delhi. 18. He was awarded with India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, posthumously on 31st March 1990. 19. His birth anniversary is celebrated as a public holiday and known as Ambedkar Jayanti. 20. Dr. Ambedkar will always be remembered as father of Indian Constitution, an economist, politician and a social reformer.
So I hope now you know about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Okay children, thank you.